Happy New Year! I'm Ling Chan, founder of Ling Skincare. I'm 71. A lot of people think I'm in my 60s and even 50. Start to renew and refresh your skin in the beginning of the year. Let's say goodbye to 2020. And I think this is a time for us to reset and to have a new you. A lot of you cannot go to have a professional facial in the spa. I come out with facials in here called sparkling oxygen facial. How often you should do it? If your skin starts with a lot of black hair, a lot of impurity, you feel that your skin is not right, so anytime you can do that. You know, in the beginning when you start, if you want to do it every other day, like 3 times a week, try to do that. Make your skin clean first. Do it 3 times. Get all those impurity out in your skin. And every time when you're doing it, the skin will feel better. Tell your skin that you are happy how it feels, and then you can do it once a week for maintenance. It's very easy to do. It's 2 steps. The first step is a peel, and then the second step is the oxygen infusion. So now I'm going to show it to you how to do it. So this is a peel. Okay, I open it. It's a little mittens over there. So you hold the mittens, you can start to do the exfoliation. This peel has the AHA from Glycolic and then the BHA from Willow Bark Extract, plus the papaya and pineapple enzyme. You just need to be doing a small movement, and then in the forehead too. After that, turn the mittens to the other side, and then you continue doing that. I will do the neck area too. This can help us to remove all the dead skin, dead cell in the surface, which is very healthy to the skin. After you finish the peel, let's see how your skin feel. If your skin don't have any irritating feeling, they don't have any sensitive feeling, they don't turn red. So I'm going to leave it on in my skin, and then I will apply the oxygen infusion on now. Open up this bag, and then you squeeze out the oxygen gel over there. After you apply it on, you just leave it and don't touch it. If you have a J roller at home, you can try to massage a little bit. So if you don't have to worry about it. Let them sit over there. So I will start to using a roller. So sometimes after you massage it, they still will bubble again. So if you don't have the roller at home, you can use your hand. You see, after I did the massage, you can see that, you know, like slowly they are bubbled again. And you can wait, let it all finish the bubble before you can take it off, because you want to get the fully benefit from it. You don't want to be rushed. I finished that, and I'm going to wait a little bit more till the whole bubbling process. So the bubbling sensation, I wait till that is all over, then I take it off. Now I can look at my skin. The texture of my skin is so much softer, and my complexion is a lot more clear. This is the facial that you can do it at home. So this facial is finished. So what I'm going to do is I will go back to apply my hydrator. Is the Dual Moisture Motion, one of my real favorite product. One of this product really helped me to slow down my aging process. Even now I'm 71. the best way for us is, you know, not keeping it dry. Always keep your skin, your neck not dehydrated, of course in your skin too. So, and then the first step, I go back to my anti-aging serum, apple stem cell. One of my real anti-aging secret to take care my concern of aging. So, and then I apply a little moisturizer, DNA moisturizer, and then a relay eye gel. When you do the eye gel, just put a little bit on your ring finger and apply on. So after the facial, after I finish the regimen, that is complete. So you can follow this step and do it yourself at home. And let's get a new you for 2021. Thank you very much for watching.